I'm Harry Davis. I'm here to talk to you about a chewitis. It's a very common disease that you can't stop sneezing. I interviewed Shelly Spinelli before and after she used a new drug called Sneezeway. So tell me, Shelly, how is this disease affecting your life?
Well, sometimes I can't go to school because I sneeze so much. Hey guys!
Shelly sneezes so much! Sometimes I have spazzy moments.
So, you got that stuff?
Yeah, I got the stuff. You got the money?
Yeah, I got the money. Wax oil? That's interesting. That's not going to do anything. I mean...
Don't ask me a question.
Thank you.
Now with Sneezeway, you can chew gum to get rid of those achoo sneezes in hot dog form. I'm a real boy.
And now, with Sneezeway, I'm good to go. I'm good to live a happy life with no sneezing. It worked!
I'll spread my wings and I'll learn how to fly. I'll do what it takes till I touch the sky. And I'll make a wish, take a chance, make a change, and break away.
As good as it was for my friend here to stop sneezing, side effects do include stroke, heart attack, and loss of breathing, along with death, and short of strength and weaknesses, and roll around with it, you'll be fine. There's also baloney for hiccups. I have the hiccups all the time. Yep, yep, yep. But now I don't. No more hiccup! So tell me, okay, so tell me, Shelly, how did this disease affect your life? What I'm saying.
A new drug called Sneezeway.
A new drug called Sneezeway.
Okay.
I'm Terry Gates. I'm here to talk to you, but I chew ice. Okay. So, Sneezeway is a gum that you chew in a hot dog form that gives your sneezes away. Now it's Sneezeway. Sneezeway. You can chew gum to get rid of your... Next off. You can chew gum to get rid of your hiccups.